SpainSat NG-1 in orbit, SpaceX Falcon 9 boosts European satellite tech. A historic launch for Spain and Europe. Cape Canaveral, Florida. In a spectacular display of precision and power, SpaceX's Falcon 9 rocket successfully launched the SpainSat NG-1 satellite into orbit, marking a significant milestone in Spain's space and defense strategy. The mission, which lifted off from Cape Canaveral Space Force Station in Florida, is part of Spain's broader effort to modernize its secure military communications network and fortify European space capabilities. The SpainSat NG-1 satellite, built by Airbus Defence and Space for Hisdesat, represents a new era in secure, resilient, and high-performance satellite communications. It is designed to provide next-generation military communications services to Spain's Ministry of Defense, NATO allies, and key government agencies, ensuring uninterrupted and secure transmissions across the globe. The mission is a testament to Europe's growing ambitions in space defense technology, as nations increasingly recognize the strategic importance of satellite infrastructure in modern military operations, cybersecurity, and emergency response. Flawless Falcon 9 launch and precision deployment. The launch sequence began smoothly, with Falcon 9 igniting its powerful Merlin engines and lifting off precisely on schedule. The rocket's first stage successfully completed its ascent, providing the necessary thrust to propel SpainSat NG-1 beyond Earth's atmosphere. In a testament to SpaceX's reusable rocket technology, the first stage booster detached and executed a controlled landing on the autonomous drone ship, just read the instructions, stationed in the Atlantic Ocean. This marked yet another successful reuse of Falcon 9 hardware, significantly reducing the cost and environmental impact of spaceflight. Meanwhile, the second stage of the rocket continued its precise orbital insertion, carrying SpainSat NG-1 into geostationary transfer orbit, GTO. The satellite was successfully deployed approximately 36,000 kilometers, 22,000 miles, above Earth, positioning it perfectly for its operational mission. Soon after separation, SpainSat NG-1 established communications with ground control, confirming that all systems were functioning as expected. Hisdesat engineers are now conducting post-launch checkouts and system calibrations before the satellite begins its full operational mission. What is SpainSat NG-1 and why is it important? The backbone of Spain's military communications. SpainSat NG-1 is part of the SpainSat Next Generation, SpainSat NG, program, an advanced satellite communications initiative aimed at enhancing Spain's military, government, and emergency communications. It replaces the aging SpainSat and XTR Euro satellites, which have been in service for nearly 2 decades. With advanced anti-jamming, cybersecurity, and resilient communication technologies, SpainSat NG-1 ensures secure, encrypted, and interference-free transmissions, making it an essential asset for military operations, disaster response, and intelligence gathering. Key capabilities of SpainSat NG-1. Secure X-band and Ka-band communications for military and government use. Advanced cyber-resilient architecture, protecting against hacking and cyber attacks. Anti-jamming capabilities, ensuring uninterrupted transmissions in hostile environments. Interoperability with NATO and allied satellite networks, enhancing global defense coordination. Enhanced global coverage, including Europe, the Atlantic, Africa, and the Americas. This next-generation satellite is designed to provide highly secure and flexible communication services, ensuring that Spain and its allies maintain global military readiness and uninterrupted strategic connectivity. Strengthening European space defense capabilities. The launch of SpainSat NG-1 is not just a national achievement for Spain, it is a major step forward for European space security. European strategic independence in space. With growing global security threats and increasing reliance on satellite technology, Europe is seeking to reduce dependence on non-European space assets. SpainSat NG-1 contributes to Europe's push for greater autonomy in military and government communications, ensuring that critical data transmissions remain secure, sovereign, and free from foreign interference. In the past, European nations often relied on US-based satellite networks for secure military communications, but the SpainSat NG program is part of a broader effort to develop Europe's own space-based defense infrastructure. Collaboration with NATO and allied nations. SpainSat NG-1 is fully compatible with NATO communication networks, enabling seamless coordination with allied forces. This means that NATO and its member nations can exchange secure, real-time intelligence, improving strategic military operations, crisis response, and defense planning. Spain's investment in next-generation space defense systems aligns with NATO's growing emphasis on space as a critical domain for security operations, alongside land, air, sea, and cyberspace. Hisdesat and Airbus, pioneering advanced space technology. Hisdesat, Spain's leader in secure satellite communications. Hisdesat, Spain's government-backed satellite services provider, is responsible for operating SpainSat NG-1 and ensuring its mission success. Founded in 2001, Hisdesat specializes in defense, intelligence, and emergency response communications, playing a key role in Spain's national security and international defense collaborations. Airbus Defence and Space, Engineering Excellence. Airbus Defence and Space, a European aerospace giant, is the manufacturer of SpainSat NG-1. The company integrated state-of-the-art technology to ensure maximum security, flexibility, and durability, enabling SpainSat NG-1 to operate in challenging conditions while maintaining uncompromised communications. With Airbus' expertise in satellite engineering and Hisdesat's leadership in secure communications, SpainSat NG-1 is one of the most advanced military satellites ever deployed by a European nation. The future, SpainSat NG-2 and beyond. SpainSat NG-1 is just the first step in Spain's next-generation satellite program. The launch of SpainSat NG-2, scheduled for 2025, will complete the SpainSat NG constellation, further enhancing Spain's space-based military and government communication network. Once both satellites are fully operational, Spain will have one of the most sophisticated, secure, and autonomous satellite communication systems in Europe, ensuring unmatched resilience and global coverage. Europe's expanding role in space defense. As the world moves toward an era of space-based military and intelligence operations, nations are increasingly prioritizing secure satellite infrastructure. Spain's investment in next-generation satellites is part of a broader European effort to develop independent space capabilities, ensuring that the continent remains competitive, secure, and technologically advanced in the new space age. With SpainSat NG-1 successfully in orbit, Spain, Europe, and NATO have taken a major leap forward in securing strategic space-based communications for the future. The successful launch of SpainSat NG-1 aboard SpaceX's Falcon 9 rocket marks a pivotal moment in European space defense history. With its secure communications, advanced cyber resilience, and strategic military capabilities, the satellite ensures that Spain and its allies remain protected in an increasingly digital and space-reliant world.